Perform a Pearson's correlation test in Excel sheet. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I have used Google Docs. The process is just the same for Microsoft Excel as well. I have taken random data of female and age. After that, in order to perform Pearson's correlation test, go to Insert. Now go to Function and then go to Statistical. After that, in this P section, search for Pearson. After that, simply drag all this data from here and then press enter. Now, if you have made correct datas and entries, your Pearson correlation will be calculated. So that's how you do it.